To make any text in your rich text modules into a link to a web page, click the pencil-shaped edit button beside the module. If you have yet to create a rich text module, see our rich text tutorial. Next, highlight the text you wish to link. Now, click the chain link icon in the toolbar at the top of the module. Next, type or paste the desired link into the box. Once entered, enable or disable the Open in New Tab option, depending on your preference. And finally, click the check mark to the right of your link. Adjust the color of this link by accessing the module style settings. Click the gear icon to the right of the module, and in the window to the left, you will now be able to change the color of your linked text. You can even change its hover color and toggle an underline.